Hello, today I am going to talk about the pollination in plants. I have an example, cucurbit crops. The crop is cucumber. Cucumber produces imperfect flower. That means one flower will be a male flower while another flower will be a female flower. We can see the example here. This is the female flower that comes with a baby fruit, while there are other flowers that do not have that kind of baby fruit. We can see this one, there is no baby fruit. Now the fact is, the pollen grains produced by the male flower should come to the female flower for pollination and fertilization. If the pollen from the male flower do not come to the female flower, this flower is going to die within few days. If we are growing cucurbit crops like cucumber, pumpkin, bottle gourd, this kind of crops outside, then pollination is not a big problem, because there are a lot of insects and they visit flowers to flower, and at that time they help in pollination. For example, we can see here the small bumblebee when it visits the next flower, that will help in pollination. But the problem is, when we grow these kind of plants inside the high tunnel or inside the greenhouse, in that case we can do the manual pollination. For the process of manual pollination, we should have a fine and small brush like this. You can see a brush here. Then what we are going to do is, we are going to get some pollen from the male flowers. For example, I can see a male flower here, and I will use this fine brush and get the pollen. I'm collecting pollen from the flowers, male flower. It's very easy process. Now this brush has a lot of pollen at the top. What I am going to do is, I am going to help in pollination. So this brush already has a lot of pollen, and this is our female flower. So I am going to rub these pollens around or inside the flower like this. Now the pollination process is complete, and I can easily assume that this flower that has the baby fruit is not going to die. It will develop into a big fruit. Thank you.